Okay, good day, guys. Good day. And a very good day it is, man. A very good day it is. We just got news that the salary impasse is now finally over between the JFF and the players. Man, I'm telling you, man, it's just really and truly a big relief, a big relief that this thing is now finally finished. It's over. No more bickering in the media, no more fighting, no more back and forth between the players and the federation. I was so relieved when I heard that finally this thing has now been put to rest. So we're just really happy here at Formula Sports because this thing was really affecting, right, the Reggae Boys preparation for the Gold Cup and the World Cup. It was really affecting it, man. Really affecting the preparation, man. Right? The friendly was played. The friendly was just played the other day with Jamaica and the US. And a number of the players were missing. Missing a crucial chance, a crucial opportunity to have gelling take place, to have chemistry building both on and off the pitch between some of the old or the older guard. I don't want to say old guard, but relatively speaking, they are the older guard with the new arrivals that would have just come. So that was a perfect opportunity missed right there. But it is what it is. There'll be, look, the fact of the matter is the boys, the Reggae Boys find, seemingly for whatever strange reason, the Reggae Boys seem to find the friendlies hard to come by. So um, we're hearing that potentially could potentially be a friendly for June between that big team in Europe, Serbia. So we'll keep our eye on that for sure. But again, man, the Reggae Boys always find friendlies difficult to come by. Most countries had 2 friendlies the other day in the international break. We only got 1, right? And that's why it can be so bad, or it was such a bad thing that the opportunity was missed in the US game to have chemistry building and team building, right? Both on and off the pitch, right? It was a massive opportunity because the fact of the matter is, for the Reggae Boys, the sad reality of the matter is, those opportunities to have those friendlies, they are rare. They don't come around very often. But it is what it is, man. We just have to roll with the punches. Major props to the JFF for sorting this thing out. It was looking as if it wasn't gonna end anytime soon. Up until very recently, there was, a lot of hostility being thrown towards it. Well, especially from the player side, you know. But it was just, it just never looked as if it was progressing, even though the JFF was trying to give the impression that it was. But I'm not saying it wasn't, but from a public standpoint, it really and truly never looked like it was going anywhere anytime soon. So major props to the JFF again for sorting this thing out, for sorting this thing out before the Gold Cup, because normally these things normally get sorted out, on the eve of major tournaments or on the eve of friendlies, So it's good to see that long in advance, right? Long in advance. A couple months in advance, really and truly, this thing has now been sorted out, right? It's very, very good to see. very, very, very good to see that this thing has been sorted out long in advance. You know, we would have appreciated it if it was done in a more, or in a less hostile manner, you know, ideally behind closed doors. I mean, the salary demands being leaked. We don't know who leaked it, to try and, I don't know if the person was trying to shed light on the situation, or if, one side was being demonized or whatever the case is. But the fact of the matter is that just started a whole back and forth, an unfortunate back and forth in the media that really highlighted the fact that the boys and the federation really and truly don't get along. They don't really seemingly like each other. But really unfortunate how it was handled. But it is now handled, and terms have been agreed, so that's good. Everybody can settle down now, and everybody can move forward. You know, to basically for the best interest of the nation's football, such an important period in the nation's football history coming up. We definitely needed to get this thing sorted and get it out of the way, right? So that we can go to Gold Cup and try and win it. We have a squad that on paper could win it, even though sadly the Gold Cup has become a preparation tournament for us because of the late influx combined with the fact that we're not gonna the late influx of all of these new players combined with the fact that a lack of game time, a lack of friendlies, for multiple reasons, and the salary impasse as well. So sadly, that the salary impasse that would have impacted, the gelling and the chemistry building process. So unfortunately, the Gold Cup will be a preparation and integration tournament for us. But hey, we still have a team on paper that can win it. So hopefully the boys can go there and give a good account of themselves and try and see if they can, you know. I mean, obviously matches aren't won on paper, but it's a team that a team that can give even the likes of Mexico and US easily, can challenge them. So even though the Gold Cup is gonna be a preparation tournament for us, I still think we can go there and potentially, try and see if we can win it. Our chances of actually winning it have been lessened because of all of these factors that have hampered the preparation process. But hey, we still have a team on paper that can win it. So let's see what the boys do. And then of course World Cup qualifying as well. We want to get to Qatar. So good to see that the terms have been agreed. Thank God Almighty, man. This thing won't continue for much longer and continue to hamper the preparation process even more. Good that the JFF has sorted this thing out months in advance. Even though, to be fair, the only reason why they have sorted it out months in advance is because they were under public pressure following, the Damian Lowe tape gate, right? But the fact of the matter is they still sorted it out. It is finished and they must get props, even though it could have been handled much better, but at least it is out of the way and we can move forward now, right? And both parties can try and see if they can do what's in the best interest of the nation's football. Okay guys, so that's the big news coming out now. So we'll see, we'll see how everything comes together, and we'll continue to monitor and track the whole situation, man. Hopefully, wounds have been made. Hopefully the wounds can heal and both parties can come together, man, and just move forward as one, man. Disunity won't do the national program, won't serve the national program well. Okay, guys, so enjoy the rest of your day. By the way, guys, I'm gonna be doing a watch along later today. So a watch along to Reading versus Watford. So, you know, look out for that. You know, two reggae boys going against each other. Liam Moore versus Andre Gray. So look out for that, and you know, I'll see you guys then. So take care, enjoy the rest of your day.